Maybe not so much water next time. Oh, I wanted this to go so well. Me again, back out on another wild camp. Jamie does wild bike packing. Here we go. Hoping to scout a site out in the open tonight rather than in the woods. So brought the tent. I've got a Nordisk Svalbard one, and I quite like really going out with a tarp, but I thought I'd change it up a bit tonight, give it a go.
The process, trying to find a spot.
Flattening.
Yeah, it's not too bad, it's not too lumpy.
Found a new spot. Gonna get a bit of this flattened down and see about getting the tent up before the sun goes down. Right, I think we're all set up. Just gonna have a little walk into camp, show you what we're doing tonight. I've got a Nordisk Svalbard 1 tent. Probably don't really need it tonight. I don't think there's gonna be a lot of rain or anything, but just thought I'd do something different. So if I can unzip that. Nice, got a little area there just to put some of your stuff. And looking in here, got it all zipped up at the minute just to keep any insects out. Some a bag, some a mat, and there's quite a bit of room in there. So we're going to have a look at what Jay's up to. What are you using tonight, Jay?
I am using a Snug Pack ionosphere. I'm going to try, if I'm man enough tonight, to leave it with just the fly up, but the plan is, if it does rain in the night, I can kind of get up and just chuck that over, and I've got my pegs down there, so all I've got to do is quickly peg it down and
all done.
Robert's your father's brother, but I like the idea of having the fly tent. I'm sorry, I'm knackered, I just had to ride up the hill with that flipping thing. Stick it up, boy. Stick it up.
Don't adjust your dials. Sausages for tea, not breakfast.
Continuity error.
What are you doing there then?
I'm having water tonight.
Yep, lovely.
I hope. I'm cooking with bare flame tonight, so careful. That's set fire to that. So it might take a bit longer, but no, I've just got some pasta, some chicken chorizo pasta, extra spicy salami, well, whatever the hell that is.
Chorizo.
And rocket, and I've got, a little squeezy bag of pesto as well, so it should be alright. It's going to be a mess. I'm going to have it all over.
I've got a meat feast. Because I couldn't be bothered to go out and get anything, so I've raided the freezer.
I know what you mean. How you mean.
Unsub if you want.
No, don't do that. No. Live the live alive.
Nice.
Nice. Really hungry.
Yeah, I'm hungry. Right, we have butcher's burger, butcher's sausages with onions, and because I thought it was going to be a bit boring, I've put this hoisin and garlic sauce in there, which is probably a bit overkill, and I've got to try and clean that now for the breakfast, so we'll see how that goes.
Cool.
Tanglefoot.
It's hard on the soil, isn't it? This is covered in beer.
Oh, listen.
Oh,
No, no, shh, shh, shh. May have a problem. I think R2D2 bird has followed us. Where do we first meet R2D2 bird? Was that Drymere?
Yeah.
No, that was Shoulder, wasn't it?
See that?
1 minute, listen. Oh, that missed. What do you reckon? Do you want to go walk about?
Yeah, I don't want this to. Oh, my yes, burning quite well actually. I don't want it to put. Yeah, I'll fire this one up. Still got another one here, look.
Walkabout time. It's hard to say walkabout without doing an Australian accent. Not an accident.
What is an
Accent.
Australian accident? That's when you
I don't know. I'm not going to say anything.
That's when you crash your ute. Oh, crikey.
Down in Yabby Creek.
Yabby Creek. With Joe Mangle.
It's doing it now, isn't it? Right, let's have another go. Right, I'll bring you back.
Say something you
It's not going to do it now, is it?
Say something you get.
Oh, listen. What is it?
I don't know, but I don't know if we should taunt it.
Come on, let's go and get my tent. Sod this. We're off. Right, mate. I'm going to head off.
Yeah.
We'll do the outros in a minute.
Well, it's good night from me.
And it's good night from him. In one take. Yeah. That's not as funny, is it? What can we say?
Him again.
Me again. We've done that bit on the way in.
We have.
This might be a hat backwards time.
You know, when I put my hat on back, it was like a switch, you know.
Right.
What are you attempting to cook, Jackie?
Well, I'm attempting to cook. I think you call it Bannock. I've never done this before.
Which is, what's that? It's like a bread, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like flour. Well, I haven't mixed it up very well. It's flour and I think it's bacon. No. I don't know
Bacon
what
soda? Yeah, like
No.
the self-raising. Either way, this is going to be gold.
It is, but it's not mixed up in the middle.
Get your hands in there. I've got plenty of water if you need to do it. Oh, please. Jamie makes snowball. Meanwhile, at Bannock Camp.
I think I put too much water in. Look, 'cause I can't get it off my hand. Jesus Christ. Maybe not so much water next time. Oh, I wanted this to go so well.
Well, it still might cook okay.
It might, it just can't get off my hand.
Can't you just put your hand like straight into the pan?
Perhaps I just drop it in. I wanted to form it a bit more than that.
Turn it into a rolly. Yeah. I don't know what to suggest.
Yeah, Jimmy. Stuck to the other hand now. If that was on a clean hand, don't you have to wet your hand up a bit?
I've never heard of the word until you.
I don't do a lot of baking. Tell you what. There's going to be a lot of editing here.
There you go. Masterpiece.
Right then. I might only do one.
You always, since your hands are all crapped up, you might as well stick the rest in, mightn't you? And then you can roll the dry off.
I can see it not cooking in the middle.
I love your ambition, I do.
See if I can. God, what was that?
So if this doesn't go to plan, have you got anything else for your breakfast?
I'll be foraging.
Foraging at Tesco's on the way home.
What.
I'll tell you what. Well, I had the last laugh, didn't I?
Wouldn't I have the last laugh?
Yeah.
You had the one before the last laugh.
Yeah. Yeah.
I tell you what.
You had the last laugh. Right.
Yeah. Not you.
That's what I've got.
Yeah.
I've just got like...
Is that all you got?
Yeah. But I can't F this up, like, can I? 'Cause it's just like cereal.
Still chewing Bannock. No sausages today.
How's your Bannock then, Jamie?
Bannock good. Be making Bannock again. Right, I think we're all packed up, ready to go. All loaded up.
Yep, flag and wagon is ready to rock.
Bit of flattened grass, nothing else to see. I'm not going to say what other people say.
Crop circles.
Right then, let's head on out. Right, that's the end of another good wild camp trip. I'll call it here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.